Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make a video call on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, and on your home screen tap on the phone app, and then you need to open up the contact that you want to make the video call. So here I'm going to choose contacts, and let's say I'm going to choose incoming call, and then tap on the video call right here. And this will allow you to start making the video call straight away. So another way to do it is open up your contact information, and then in here there is also a video call icon that you can make the video call. So there are multiple ways how you can make the video call from the contacts detail page, or from out here in the phone list, in the contacts list. You can also make the video call. Now I can also touch and hold, and from here I can also tap on the video call button as well. Again, that is another option. And you can do that the same in recent list as well. In here you can touch and hold, and so I think you have to actually need to open it up, and once you open up you can tap on the video call in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.